A single sneeze travels faster than a hurricane wind, hitting speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Imagine the sheer force behind such a tiny action. It's like a mini storm brewing in your nose. When you sneeze, your body is expelling thousands of tiny droplets at incredible speeds, each one potentially carrying tiny microbes. It's nature's way of clearing irritants from your nasal passages, but also a reminder of how powerful our bodies can be in even the simplest of actions. Next time you sneeze, think of it as your personal hurricane, showcasing the raw, unfiltered power of human biology.